And who are your coaches?
And then handoff and handoff and to me, and then I touched them. And then my daddy said say a good throw to that, and then.
Do you want to show them what a chest bump is?
Yeah.
I forget.
Oh, come on.
Yeah. This. Okay, like this. Watch. Like that.
Does the whole team do that? Or just y'all? Okay.
Good job, boys.
Good job.
Great.
Chest bump is like this.
Y'all play for the YMCA?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.